Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about basics of JavaScript, the OOPS concept in JavaScript. So as I said earlier, JavaScript is um, the main thing that controls the behavior of our application. Here I have the application open. So the applet that you see, if I click on the records and navigate to next record set, whatever the action that I do, if I try to delete a record, add a record, whatever the action that I do, it everything from your browser client will be sent to the server using JavaScript. Siebel has written some APIs, some JavaScript files that already take care of all the basic functionalities that we do. Now, JavaScript is event based, so always JavaScript gets invoked by some event only. Either it can be on load of the application, on click of something, on hover of the mouse, or on navigate, or anything that you do. JavaScript is action based, and JavaScript is very powerful. JavaScript can be used to add content to your browser. That is, it can add HTML. JavaScript can be used to add styling using jQuery and other um, libraries. And JavaScript is ever expanding. Every day, lot of files, lot of APIs, lot of things get created from lo- from a wider community across the globe who improve the JavaScript functionalities every day. So if we look at the JavaScript that Siebel is using here, Siebel is actually creating JavaScript objects, and it is asking us to extend the objects to extend the functionality of what the objects already do. So to give you an example, uh, just like in any OOPS language like Java or anything, we create objects, we give them some properties, we give the object some basic functionalities or behaviors, and we extend the already existing objects that Siebel created. For example, this is a list applet object that Siebel created, and it extends the applet object. So they have created one base applet object, and on top of it they extend the list applet functionality. So if you look at this, it defines a set of functionalities for uh, this file. Like these are the functions that return you some values, and there are some variables that are declared like this. These are the variables that are declared here that can be set and that can be get from this file. Just like in any oops language, we have setter and getter functions. This also has the setter and getter functions. So what it actually does is it has this list applet object, and it has um, all these variables defined. And if I'm on a particular row and I call this get row identifier function, it fetches me my current row identifier function through some call of a function in this object. So basically what we do is we have PM like presentation model, physical renderer files, and plugin wrapper files that are predefined by Siebel. We write the functions, we write the scripts that extend the already existing functions, and on top of it, we define our own functionality like this. What I'm actually doing is on list applets and life, I'm doing something extra. I'm calling an extra function to end the life of the list applet, and after that I'm ending the life of my super class, that is the applet class. So uh, we need to understand the basics of oops concepts that get involved in this. So I'll be giving you an example in another video. Thank you.